immediately attempted to shift the narrative. Jonathan Miranda lawyered up and refused to speak. Christina initially tried to minimize the crime, claiming Michael had simply been feeling unwell and was placed in the room for a couple of days to monitor him. A blatant lie completely refuted by the dried fecal matter and the state of the room. When pressed further, she too demanded an attorney. In a separate legal maneuver, a defense attorney representing Jonathan in a concurrent Child Protective Services investigation attempted to claim that Michael's injuries were self-inflicted, arguing the boy suffered from behavioral issues stemming from a prior brain tumor. However, legal experts noted that without an independent medical expert willing to testify that such devastating fractures and internal lacerations could be self-inflicted, the defense theory would carry zero weight. Because the victim was under the age of 14, the state of Texas filed the highest possible charges against the couple. Both Jonathan and Christina Miranda were indicted on charges of capital murder. Under Texas state law, capital murder involving the killing of a child automatically carries the potential of a death penalty. Legal analysts have emphasized that the prosecutors possess an overwhelming mountain of physical evidence and eyewitness testimonies from the surviving children. In Texas, the looming threat of death row is frequently used as an absolute bargaining chip, and it is highly anticipated that the state may use it to force a plea of life without the possibility of parole, sparing the surviving children from the immense trauma of testifying in front of their abusers. Michael Miranda's big smile was stolen by the people who promised to protect him, leaving behind a case that represents the absolute apex of parental malice.